silicone case for S23 Ultra silicone case. Simple silicone case. Samsung silicone case for S23 Ultra. It will protect the phone. Simple case. Okay, interesting. How to install it? Not sure if I understand. The buttons first. Buttons in. Then pull it out a bit. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so first, really nice soft feeling inside. It feels really protective. It's silicone, but it's really solid. It's really nice and well built, I have to say. It's really well built. So I'll remove this. Okay, it's out. Much better. Okay, let's get the phone in the case. So take your phone, buttons here, power button, volume buttons. Okay. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's all clean. Make sure the back of the phone is clean. Wipe it a little bit. Buttons. Okay, wow. All good here. Power button works. It's really orange. Not sure if I like this. You could use a marker to paint it on this edge. Service provider update. What's this? The cameras look really powerful. Really powerful cameras. Wow. The hole here. Okay. Let's see. It's a bit slippery. This silicone case. Okay. If you want to add the fingerprint, add the fingerprint, go to settings, screen load type. You can use no. You can use fingerprints. Pin backed up. Okay, that sounds good. I think. I'm not sure. Okay, time to unlock with the fingerprint. That's it. Phone is ready. Nice orange silicone case. And how to remove the case.